So we will discuss another problem in section of solids. So this is the problem. A hexagonal pyramid, side of base 30 mm and axis 70 mm, rests with its base on HP and an edge of the base inclined at 30 degree to VP, a section plane inclined at 45 degree to VP and perpendicular to HP passes through the pyramid at a distance of 10 mm from the axis and is in front of it. Draw the true shape of the section. So we have to construct the front view and top view of the hexagon and then draw the cutting plane. After that we draw the sectional front view, so that the sectional front view will be drawn as the true shape of the section in another position. So here we can start drawing the diagram. So this is a reference line, XY reference line. Now draw to construct the hexagon. But the hexagon is inclined 30 degree. One of the base edges inclined 30 degree to VP. So take 30 degree inclined to VP and draw a line. So this is a line. So in this line we have to draw a 30 mm line. So this is it's constructed directly. So here you have to mark the point. So this is the point A. This is the point A, B, C, D, E, F. So AF is 30 mm. AF is 30 mm, and you can mark the angle. So construct the hexagon. Take 120 degree from this and again draw 30 mm. Again from here you take 120 degree, draw a line for 30 mm, again measure from this line, you take 120 degree, draw the line, and then take 120 degree from this line, keep your protractor at this line and measure 120 degree, Similarly, keep your protractor in this line and take 120 degree. Complete. You can complete the hexagon. Now mark the center point. Mark the points first, corner points first, and then mark the center point. Draw diagonals between F and C, A and D, B and E. You will get the center point for hexagon. You can directly draw the diagonals and you can get the center point. Now the cutting plane is 10 mm away from the center. So you can, the simplest way you can draw a circle. So before that we construct the front view. Draw projection line from C, F and A. So A dash, B dash, C dash, F dash, E dash, D dash. Now draw a line for 70 mm from the point C dash. Mark O dash, 70 mm. Join A dash, O dash and E dash, O dash. Now draw the 10 mm circle. So simplest way to mark the cutting plane, draw a circle for 10 mm radius, and draw the cutting plane. Take 45 degree and draw a watermark line. Then you move it by using set square and scale towards the circle tangent. So the cutting plane will cut the face AB at one point, and the slant edge BO at one point, CO at one point, and CD at the face. So there will be 4 points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 points are there. To mark the point in the front view, draw projection lines from the point 1. So it is vertical, so it is coming with the projection line. Up to the XY line. Since it is on the face, so we have to stop it up to XY line for point number 1 dash. And point number 2 dash, so it is cutting at the diagonal. It is a slant edge BO. So B dash O dash. This is the B dash O dash line. So draw vertical projection line up to this slant line and mark the point as 2 dash. Now to mark the point 4 dash, draw a projection line, vertical projection line from the point 4 up to XY line. Since it is cutting in the face, so you have to draw up to XY line and mark the point 4 dash. So the point 3 is difficult since it is on the vertical line, so we cannot directly mark the point 3 dash. So we have to take your compass, O as center, O3 as radius, draw an arc to the another slant edge diagonal. So that is OD. Draw an arc on OD and mark the point as M. OD, O3 as diagonal, draw an arc on OD and mark the point as M. From the point M, draw a vertical projection line on O dash D dash. Draw a vertical projection line. It will meet here. Mark the point as M dash. So from M dash, draw a horizontal line towards C dash O dash. It will meet the vertical line at one point. Mark the point as 3 dash. Now join the points. 1, 4 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, and 2 dash, 1 dash. So this is the section. And draw the section lines. So this is the shape cutting at the bottom of the hexagonal pyramid. This is the shape, front view section. Now we are going to draw the true shape. Of the section. So to draw this true shape of the section, we have to draw a parallel line parallel to the cutting plane, and draw projection lines from the point 1, 2, 3, etc. It will be 90 degree. You can see here it will be 90 degree. This projection line should be 90 degree to X1 Y1 line, and also this 90 degree to cutting plane. So after drawing this line, you can mark this point as 1, 1, and this point as 4, 1. Here it is coming 1, 1, 1 at this point and 4, 1 at this point. Okay. So then measure the distance from XY line to 2 dash by using compass or by using scale. You can measure the distance from XY line to 2 dash, vertical distance, and extend this line for that distance, for the measured distance. Extend this line. So this line is extended towards here. That is the distance from XY line to 2 dash. Similarly, measure the distance from XY line to 3 dash. So that is the distance. This is the distance. XY to 3 dash, that is the distance. Now you can extend this line and you can get the point. Now you can see, you can mark the shape. So the points 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Okay. So this is a shape. This is a true shape, and you can draw the section of the solid. This is the true shape of the section of solids. Okay. So this is the final shape. This is front view section and this is the true shape of the section. Okay.